Exploring the future of farming, hydroponic gardening. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's revolutionizing the way we think about farming and gardening: hydroponic gardening. This method is not only innovative but also offers a sustainable alternative to traditional soil-based gardening. Let's embark on this green journey together and uncover the secrets of hydroponic gardening. Hydroponic gardening is a method of growing plants without soil. Instead, plants are grown in a water-based solution that is rich in nutrients. This method allows plants to receive a balanced amount of nutrients directly to their roots, often resulting in faster growth rates and higher yields. One of the key benefits of hydroponic gardening is its efficiency and sustainability, as it uses less water than traditional gardening and can be set up almost anywhere. There are several advantages to hydroponic gardening that make it an attractive option for both commercial growers and home gardeners. Firstly, it allows for year-round gardening, regardless of the weather outside, since it's often done indoors. This means fresh produce can be grown and harvested at any time of the year. Secondly, it's space efficient, making it perfect for urban environments where space is limited. Additionally, hydroponic systems are less prone to pests and diseases, reducing the need for pesticides and resulting in healthier, organic produce. Hydroponic gardening can be done using various systems, each with its own set of characteristics. The most common types include wick systems, the simplest form of hydroponics, using a wick to transport nutrients from the reservoir to the plants. Deep water culture, DWC, plants are suspended in a nutrient solution, with roots directly immersed in the water. Nutrient film technique, NFT, a continuous flow of nutrient solution runs over the roots, providing constant access to nutrients. Ebb and flow. Plants are flooded with nutrient solution at intervals, then drained, mimicking natural soil moisture cycles. Aeroponics. Roots are suspended in the air and misted with nutrient solution, allowing for maximum oxygenation. Each system has its pros and cons, and the choice depends on the specific requirements of the plants and the gardener's preferences. Starting your own hydroponic garden might seem daunting, but it's quite manageable with some basic knowledge and preparation. You'll need a hydroponic system, light source, natural or artificial, nutrient solution, and seeds or plants. It's important to monitor the pH and nutrient levels regularly to ensure optimal plant growth. Additionally, choosing the right plants for your system and conditions will greatly affect your success. Hydroponic gardening offers an exciting glimpse into the future of agriculture and sustainable living. By understanding and embracing this technology, we can grow healthier food more efficiently and in a variety of settings. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the possibilities of hydroponic gardening. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious newcomer, there's never been a better time to dive into hydroponics. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.